come on, go to sleep, mama.
Food right there. I'm gonna start giving you that than regular baby food. Good job. She loving it. Look at her. Her grandma. Don't let that spoon go. That's banana, orange, and apple. Oh, no, no. Banana, orange, apple, and mango. You take it away right now, it's over.
Business, but all my employees need something.